That was the worst part because when the tiller was in bad shape. We can't see it now. Oh, what'd you do? Oh, it looks beautiful. Look at that. And it worked well too. Got us out of a little mud situation. We don't know how many stories we're gonna divulge, do we?
I didn't hear.
Here's our spot. Yeah, I didn't see anything. Here we are. All right. Let's close up shop. Success. I'm not gonna take down there. It's still a mess. Squeeze it?
No. You gotta get the line out of. See the end of the line is down there.
Oh,
you gotta run that up. No. It's gotta go run through the.
Oh, through this thing.
Yep.
Okay, and then it goes right here. Oh. Do I need to undo that?
No, don't. No.
Just do it. There's 2 holes right here.
Yep, there's 2 holes there. So
do I do it like that?
I think it's the other way, but I don't remember. But it only fits one way.
Like that?
Did I hear it? No. No, they both go. There's 2 holes.
Yeah.
There you go, like that. Should be that way.
This thing has to.
It'll flip. There you go. Alright.
Good. This is good.
Now squeeze the bulb a couple of times until you feel it kind of firm. Is it firm? The bulb?
Now it is.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Now you take your glove off.
All right.
Alright.
Okay.
Now I would pull the choke out. Now turn the gas to start. To the left. A little bit more.
I think it is at start.
Okay.
Is that the thing?
Yeah, I don't know.
It looks like gas is coming out everywhere.
Well, when you squirted it.
Okay, so is start and that's start?
No, start's a little further to the left, doesn't it? Or does that say fast?
No, that says fast.
Okay.
This says start.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have my glasses at the bottom.
Right.
Okay.
Go get it.
Now, well, no, you got the choke. Now, there you go. And then when you hear it like that, when you hear it to start, when you hear the engine start kind of doing that, then you go ahead and put the choke back in.
Should I put the choke in now?
You can try. Give it a little gas.
We're in neutral.
All right, you ready?
Yeah. Which way is reverse? Reverse? That way?
Back. But you won't need it.
Okay.
All right, you got the start for take that line off. No, the light on the screen. All right, hold the tiller down. The tiller, yeah. Hold on to the tiller, Stacy. All right, go ahead and drop it into drive. Put it forward.
Help.
Turn the motor. Do you remember you can use the motor? No, wrong way. That way. Gas. Give it gas. Yes. No, it doesn't have to be, but it's easier. You gotta put it too fast. Put it. Yeah. Yes. You're forward. Okay. So it was here. Yes.
Holy shit. Fuck. Told you I needed practice. Hey, will you hit the top of that camera? Shut it off. Sit you sure?
I don't think you go through it. I don't think you go between them. I don't know. But I would go around it and then.
Yeah, there's too much debris.
But it's so just going out. It's literally like the width. The width to the harbor. Going out about 3/4 of a mile. It's all brown, all debris,
And
and
that was last Friday.
yeah. So once you got out, once you got just to the right or the left of the harbor, it was normal. It's just that width going out, and I mean, it was choppy right there. But as you got about halfway out, I swear, the bow of the boat was going up and it was smashing down. It was.
We gotta wait till this is over.
In hindsight, I wish I would have gotten out and then got up there and put the sail, because it was calm out there.
Right.
It was just
So all the tides and everything from all these three rivers
all that water is coming here and
coming
going out.
here, and then the
Right.
ocean's coming in, and so it's meeting.
Yeah, but once you got out of it, you were totally fine. So when you're pulling it into the slip,
Yeah.
take it kind of a wide turn,
Okay.
and you're gonna not cut the motor, but you're gonna drop it into neutral a good distance before you get to the slip. Just let the momentum carry you in. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And then what I would do is, put it into neutral. I'll go up to the bow and I'll hop off and I'll bring us in. And then once, I'll throw you the stern line, and then I'll tie us off, and then just unplug the.
But the motor's already off. I mean,
No.
still in neutral.
You're still in neutral, and just unplug the fuel line, and then let the engine, run out. Burn off the fuel.
Isn't the gas gonna spew all over?
No.
Because it's in neutral.
No, because when you did that, you only put one of the holes in, the other hole wasn't, so that's what squirted it out. Both when you unplug it,